Hey there. Hey, I wear this key around my neck. This is Jeff from Your Referral Generator, and it has the word believe written on it. Believe. And I believe today that there are referrals out there for you waiting, and they're waiting because you haven't connected with the people that you know in a strong way. And what the great thing is, and one of the great things about Facebook is it gives you the ability to connect with your entire network of people that you know on your phone really, really, really easily. And so I've got a great trick for you that has generated actually referrals, instant referrals for some people in our training. And perhaps one of your problems is that your CRM is a mess, that you have not done a good job of pulling all the clients that you liked and enjoyed working with into your personal friend circle, all the people that you know in your community that you see really regularly, like your chiropractor or your doctor or your hairdresser or your dentist or your kids teachers, whatever it is, right? The ability for you to grab them all and put them all into one place and use your Facebook profile as a primary place of nurture for dual conversations, a conversation that goes both ways, is really, really powerful. And so what I've got for you today is a quick trick that you can use your smartphone, your phone. So go grab it right now, this thing right here. If you have an Android or an iPhone, you can use it to pretty much put anybody who you've ever called on your phone into your suggested friends list on Facebook. Doesn't make them a friend automatically, but it gives you the ability to add them if you like them to your CRM. And that reconnection process, really powerful. Clients have got referrals from it. So you can see some information on our training below, actually. It's a really powerful training with some great results, testimonial videos. So let me just go ahead and quickly take you through the steps, and you should do it. It takes 5 minutes, and that's worth, 3 or 4 referrals, right? Might happen for you, might not, but give it a go and start getting everyone into the one place. You have the ability with your Facebook profile to connect to 5,000 people in your community who think you're incredible, whoever the word real estate or real estate professional, whatever business you're in actually comes up, they think of you first. So let's go ahead and dive in. So here are the steps just above the video. So first, grab your iPhone or your Android, open up the Facebook app. You have to have the Facebook app on your phone. Open the menu and scroll to Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings, just underneath Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Media and Contact section. And then click on the Upload Contacts, right? That's going to scroll through all the numbers on your phone. Toggle that button to on. Click Get Started. This is on an iPhone, might be slightly different on Android at this point. Scroll down the list and find your past clients, good leads, community business owners, and hit Add Friend as you do. Remember, you're in the people business. So if you have the ability for people to see your Facebook posts every day, to engage with them on theirs, that's a really powerful thing. That's a good, daily, natural, organic, wonderful way to commit and communicate and connect with people. So go ahead, do that. Check out the training below. Love to help you some more. My name's Jeff Talbot, founder of Your Referral Generator. Have a great day.